Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. Today, in our journal science lesson, we are going to revise Unit 4, the life cycles of animal. So, our first question is fill in the blanks. First blank is birds lay eggs in a nest. Next, caterpillars turn into butterflies. Next, tadpoles develop into frogs. Next, baby birds have no feathers. Next is fish eggs first develop into fry before turning into fish. Now, next question is true and false. First statement is a frog's eggs are called spawn. It is true. Next statement is birds hatch out of eggs. It is also true. Next statement is baby birds can see well when they are born. It is false. Next, young frogs are called fry. It is also false. And the last statement is frogs live on land but often go into the water. It is also true. And our third question is choose the best answer. And these options are given at page number 40 of your book. First is what does a life cycle show? So the correct statement for this is it shows all the stages of an animal's life. Next is which of the following is not a stage in the life cycle of a frog? It is pupa. Next is an adult butterfly emerges from a chrysalis. Where do birds build nest? Birds build nest in rocks, walls, and the correct option is all of them. And the last statement is which type of animal has the stages eggs, fry, adult in its life cycle? It is a fish. Next, we have short question answers. Our first question is where do frogs live? Answer is frogs live on land but often go into the water. Next question is how does a frog breathe? And the answer is a frog breathes through lungs. Last short question is why do birds build nests? And the answer is birds build nests to lay eggs in them. Now come to the long question answers. First long question is name the stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. Answer is the stages in the life cycle of a butterfly are as follows: eggs, caterpillar, pupa, and butterfly. Last question is when do the baby birds leave the nest? The answer is when the baby birds have grown feathers and are strong enough to fly, they leave the nest. So, these are the exercises which you are going to learn today. And your next assignment is that you have to draw the life cycle of a fish onto your notebooks. Okay, this is the diagram. You have to draw it and you have to label it also. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you will not find it difficult to learn. Still, if you find any difficulty, please feel free to ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.